Want to take your YouTube channel off the grid and control exactly who sees your amazing content? Let's dive into making your YouTube channel private. First things first, head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged into the account that owns the channel you want to make private. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your YouTube account settings page. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Click on Privacy. Now, within the Privacy section, look for the specific option that relates to your channel's visibility. You're looking for a setting that allows you to control who can see your subscribed channels and your liked videos. To truly make your channel private in terms of who can see its activity, you'll want to select the option that says Keep all followed channels private. This ensures that your subscriptions and likes aren't public. For a more comprehensive privacy setting, where your entire channel content is hidden from public view, you might need to manage your channel through a brand account. If your channel is linked to a brand account, you'll find options there to manage its visibility. Navigate to your brand account settings here. You'll typically find an option to change your channel's visibility. Select the option to make your channel private or unlisted. This action will effectively hide your channel from being discovered by users who aren't logged in with a special link or are not explicitly granted access. And just like that, your YouTube channel is now private. Remember, this means your videos won't appear in search results, and only those you share direct links with will be able to access your content. You've now successfully taken control of your online presence on YouTube. Happy creating privately.